Hola y bienvenidos a Lección 1, los pronombres sujetos. This video will walk you through Lesson 1 about subject pronouns and what is required for you to complete in order to receive credit for Lesson 1. First, we will go through the checklist that you can print out or just simply look at here on the website in order to know what items are required for you to complete. First, you must read through the student learning objectives. I will show you where this is in a minute after we go through the checklist, but we will go through each item on the website as well. After you read through the student learning objectives, I ask that you stop and think about the daily warm-up prompt before completing it. After you've given yourself enough time, complete the Pa Que Esperas, your daily warm-up, in your online Google journals. After completing this, again, I ask you to stop and think about the background knowledge questions. Answer the background knowledge questions after you've had plenty of time to read through the questions and think about your answers. And please answer these questions in your online Google journals. The Learn section, which you will see down below, requires that you fill out the guided notes worksheet in your online Google journals based on the screencast that you must watch about subject pronouns. The above checklist items are due by Friday, September 11th. Once these items are complete, you will move on to the Play section. Here you must read through the supplemental PowerPoint that reviews subject pronouns. You must also watch the YouTube video that teaches you the subject pronoun song to the tune of Do, Re, Mi, and print off the lyrics, or at least save the lyrics so that you can go through them with the video. In the Engage section, you must complete the subject pronoun worksheet in your online Google journals, and you must make sure that you have your Avancemos textbook available in order to complete this worksheet. Lastly, post your 2 sentences in the comment section at the bottom of the page. The Play and Engage checklist items are due by Friday, September 18th. Right below this checklist item is a button where you can download the checklist as a PDF so that you could check off each one of these items as you complete them. That is optional. So here you will see what I had mentioned in the checklist. Your student learning objectives, which will be posted for every lesson. Once again, you must read through these. Your Pa Que Esperas, or daily warm-up, which is to be completed in your online Google journals. Remember to stop and think about this before actually filling this out in your online journal. Our questions are background knowledge questions that I mentioned in the checklist. Again, please stop and think about these questions before you start answering them in your online journals. I will be checking your online journals regularly to see what you have written for your daily warm-up and these background knowledge questions, and I will be giving you feedback on your responses. Now we're moving on to the main lesson, subject pronouns. Again, here is our Learn section, where you have guided notes that you must fill out in your online journals. I've also given you an option to download and print these as well, but you must fill them out in your online journals. And this is the screencast that you will watch in order to complete your guided notes. In addition, I've attached the PowerPoint that I used in that screencast so that you can save that PowerPoint if you would like. You can go through it as many times as you want, and it's there as a permanent reference for you. Now we're moving on to the Play section. These are supplemental materials. The first one is a PowerPoint that does not go along with your guided notes, but it's a review of subject pronouns and just presented in a different manner, so it gives you multiple options of learning the material. And then our supplemental song. Again, this is to the tune of Do, Re, Mi. So the video does a great job of doing it in the form of a song. And again, right below the video, you have the option to download the PDF, which has the lyrics on it, which I would like you to do in order to just practice that song. Lastly, we have our Engage section, which is your assessment. There's a worksheet that you need to fill out in your online Google Journals, and you will need your textbook Avancemos in order to complete this. This must be completed before we meet in class. I will be checking your worksheet to see what you were able to accomplish, and I will be giving you feedback on your completed worksheet. I have also provided a link to download this worksheet as a PDF if you would like a hard copy, but remember that it must be completed in your online journals. Lastly, you must post in the comments. You will use the comments section below, and you will need to write 2 sentences in your online journal as well for a backup copy. Here is your comment section that you must write your 2 sentences in. Remember that you must also do the same in your online journals as a backup copy, just in case something happens with the comments section. Then I can still give you credit. Those are the requirements for lesson 1. Please email me, leave a comment, or contact me if you have any questions at all or need any clarification for lesson 1.